guys, today I'm going to be making chicken pie. I've heard of this recipe and I've been wanting to give it a try for quite some time now, so here we go. So what I'll be using today is 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of frozen vegetables. You can use any frozen vegetables you would like. I'll be using 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, about 4 chicken breasts cut up into pieces, and I'll also be using Betty Crocker's Bisquick, and I'll also be using some salt and pepper to taste. So first you want to make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Then we're going to be adding our chicken to our dish. And then our vegetables. Then we'll be adding in our milk. Our soup. And finally, our salt and pepper. And then we're going to give it a good mix. So now we're going to cover it, then bake it for about an hour. Once the chicken has been in the oven for an hour, we're going to make our Biscuit Mixture. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding 3/4 cups of milk into 2 cups of our Biscuit Mixture. And then I'm going to mix it. And then I'm going to pour it on top of my chicken. So little by little, we're going to be adding in our Biscuit Mixture onto our chicken. So now we're going to put it back in the oven for 15 minutes or until it is brown. Make sure that it is not covered. So here it is, chicken pie. This was a very quick and easy recipe to make. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video.